We made it!
I'm so excited. Oh, jeez. Oh.
Girls trip, Natalie and Claire for Claire's birthday at French Quarter. We just got pizza and a cupcake because it's 10:48. Claire just landed. I've been driving for hours. And look it.
They got a little card.
They gave us Mardi Gras beads in the shape of a Mickey. And it says, "Our hope is that your room feels welcoming and adds to the amazing memories you'll create here. Thank you for choosing Disney's Port Orleans French Quarter Resort. Sincerely, your housekeeping team." And this little cute post-it note. So yeah, super happy.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone.
Good morning.
Today we're going to Epcot, and it is 7:45-ish, and we're about to go to the bus stop. First stop of the day, Soarin'.
Friday. Like, and it's not necessarily a long birthday thing. I love it.
All courses for the birthday girl. We miss you, Mom.
These little beauties.
So we just did Soarin' and then we hightailed it over to Remy's Ratatouille Adventure. It says 55-minute wait, but we don't believe it, so. Let's go. We got French bakery for breakfast. Hey everyone! So we just ate and now we're gonna go ride Frozen, but we got our scavenger hunt first. So we will be doing this all day today, and
I took a little sneak peek at the merchandise.
We did take a sneak peek at the merchandise. We will be doing shopping later, but yeah, that's what's going on.
Okay, last time you filmed this and then you stopped it right as we were turning the corner. We didn't get to see Sven, and I was very upset about it. So please don't stop it.
Because I only film it for the purple.
Songs, Las Mañanitas, a traditional birthday song, and then sing with us, Happy Birthday, to Claire.
Estas son las mañanitas que cantaba el rey David, hoy por ser día de tu santo, te las cantamos aquí. Despierta, bien despierta, mira que ya amaneció, ya los pajarillos cantan, la luna ya se metió.
Stop. Time for single rider test track. We're getting a snack before we go on Guardians.
Now it's pigment.
Yeah, so we just got off Guardians and we're gonna do paint by numbers. You got purple paint?
Yeah.
Figures, it's just a paint by numbers.
In your jam, I found it.
Yes, here, I'll come right back.
Pick 6.
So paint some 7s, alright, bud? Oh, look. Stand up. Hey, look, little t-shirt with a moment.
Hi everyone.
Hi.
So we basically walked around World Showcase and found different figments for our scavenger hunt. We bought a lot of art, which we'll show you, but right now we're going to the Disney on Broadway series and we're gonna see Kara Lindsay. Then we're gonna go to dinner. Then we're gonna see Kara Lindsay again, hopefully. Then we're gonna finish the scavenger hunt, then we're gonna watch Harmonious, and then we're gonna leave. That's the plan.
My childhood dreams, but I don't mind. For now I love the world I see. No change of heart, a change in me.
We made it to Via Napoli and we're starving. We got arancini. Oh, it's awful.
I'm so happy.
Yum. Pizza is so good. So, quick update. We finished dinner. We finished the scavenger hunt. And now we're riding Grand Fiesta Tour. Grand Fiesta Tour. Ice cream.
All around us, the world
It's time
is
for
alive
Harmonious.
with music.
Goodbye. And that is a wrap. See you tomorrow. It's our bus. Yay.
The next day.
Good morning, everyone.
Come on, everybody. Here we go.
Tinkerbell. There she is. Nana. Yay. Let's go. The train is back. We will be riding it later. Woohoo! Yeah, at 11. You can't run from trouble. Ain't no place that far. Brer rabbit. Brer goose. Rest in peace. Brer frogs. Goodbye, Brer Fox. Goodbye, Brer Bear. And goodbye, the Briar Patch. Number 9. You may get wet.
My phone just buzzed.
Here we go.
And behind patches where you're gonna stay.
We're going on Big Thunder Mountain.
I'm gonna ask to be in the back.
Okay. Next stop on the agenda, corn dogs. What's left of lunch? We're watching Mickey's Friendship Fair,
We're probably gonna came on stage.
and then we're gonna get Dole Whip and go to Pirates. We just got in line for Pirates, and then it changed to 25 minutes right before we got in. So basically, we're pros.
We're
We're doing Tiki Room because she asked us to do Tiki Room.
we never do it. I wanted to do it.
We've been acquired. Come on. Yum. Haunted Mansion next on the docket. Prank. We didn't want to wait in the Haunted Mansion line because it looked long, so it looked longer than 35 minutes. So we went to PhilharMagic instead. We got new ears. Now we're gonna watch the Dapper Dans and do some shopping and ride the train, hopefully. Yay! We're riding the train for the first time, and we got cake pops, and we went shopping.
A big pack.
The trains have a mind of their own.
It's at 5:40.
Disney's Carousel of Progress. Oh, you're in for a real treat.
Legs and other appendages
We're on the
inside your
people
car.
mover.
And please supervise younger beings.
All that take, Wazowski. I've been tough on you and I feel so bad. So to make it up to you, I've assembled clips of your best work. Really? I can't wait.
Laugh floor.
Oh, I think the SD on that hat stands for sugary donuts. Oh, that is just so generous. Thank you.
Chapter 1. Chapter 1. Small world.
Tonight, we gather in a most enchanted kingdom.
I come to you on grainy iPhone night footage to tell you we're riding Splash Mountain for the last time. The actual last time.
Like, not like the 8th last time, the first time we rode it for the last time. Like
3 years ago, we rode this ride for the first to last time. 3 years ago. And now it's the actual last time.
The running joke of riding it for the last time is coming to an end.
I'm sad. Goodbye.
We got the pack.
Last time, row 4. Thankfully, so we don't get super wet. Why?
Just because I normally want to ride on the other side.
The next day.
Last day, we checked out of our resort and we came to City Works. We got burgers. I love City Works.